Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Tuesday, October the 28th. And the temperature this morning is 45 degrees and 71% humidity. And we do have cloudy skies out there this morning. And we had a low temperature yesterday of 37 degrees and a high 63. It was on my weather station here at my location. And light wind or light rain south of the Ohio will taper off this morning, leading to dry conditions across much of the area today. And then rain will overspread the region on Wednesday and continue into Thursday. We're looking at cooler air will also settle in over the Ohio Valley and for Wednesday and will remain in place towards the end of the week. Now let's take a look at weather over the next few days and what you can expect. Today, as you head out, looking at partly sunny skies with a high of 59 degrees. Winds will be out of the east at 10 miles per hour, wind gusts as high as 21 miles per hour. Tonight, I have rain moving into the forecast, mainly after 5 a.m., mostly cloudy with a low around 40 degrees. Winds out of the east at 10 miles per hour, wind gusts as high as 22 miles per hour with a 30% chance of rain. And Wednesday, rain likely, mostly cloudy with a high of 53 degrees. Winds out of the east at around 14 miles per hour. And wind gusts as high as 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain is 60%. And looking at between a tenth and a quarter of an inch possible. And Wednesday night, rain likely, cloudy with a low around 42. Winds out of the northeast at around 10 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 23 miles per hour. And looking at between a tenth and a quarter of an inch. Thursday, chance of rain, cloudy with a high near 51 degrees. Winds be out of the north at 13 miles per hour, and gusting as high as 23 miles per hour. Chance of rain is 50% and less than a tenth of an inch possible. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a low around 36 degrees. And then Friday, partly sunny with a high of 54, and the winds be out of the west at 13 miles per hour. Friday night, looking at mostly cloudy with a low around 36 degrees. And then on Saturday is sunny with a high of 52 degrees and the winds out of the west at 9 miles per hour. And your Saturday night forecast going to get a little cold, mostly cloudy with a low around 32 degrees. Hey, be sure to give a thumbs up and share it for this. Really helps in reaching out to more people and getting the weather out there. And remember, you can find us on Facebook and on YouTube. Stay safe. Have a good day. I'm Jim Scott with Wayne County, Indiana Skywarn. Thanks for being a part of it this morning.